Hello everyone, welcome back to Word Visit by Dolly. Today let's learn English with The Vampire Diaries. So without further ado, let's get started.
Val, I can't believe she didn't use her real name.
All the Bronte sisters use pseudonyms. It was a time.
Pseudonyms means a fake or pen name used by someone, usually an author. For example, he writes under several pseudonyms. Pseudonyms का मतलब होता है झूठा या दूसरा नाम जो कोई ऑथर या पर्सन यूज करता है, जैसे वो कई pseudonyms के अंडर लिखता है.
They all said that often even they don't know the identity of authors who use pseudonyms.
I'm sorry for barging in. The door's open.
Barging in means entering somewhere suddenly and rudely. For example, she barged in without knocking. Barging in का मतलब होता है बिना परमिशन के अंदर घुस जाना, जैसे वो बिना नॉक किए अंदर घुस गए.
I'm sorry about barging in here like this.
Well, no, if there's another reason, please, I'm all ears.
I am all ears means I am listening carefully. For example, tell me your story. I am all ears. I am all ears का मतलब होता है मैं बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहा हूँ या सुन रही हूँ. जैसे अपनी स्टोरी बताओ, मैं all ears हूँ.
Doctor, if you have any other ideas, I am all ears.
Since he left that very vague message 3 days ago.
Vague means not clear or detailed. For example, his answer was very vague. Vague का मतलब होता है बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं और थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन वाला, जैसे उसका आंसर काफी वेग था.
That's such a vague word.
Vicky all nonchalant in the bathroom like it's no big deal that they're hooking up.
Nonchalant means calm and not showing any worry or excitement. For example, he acted nonchalant even during the crisis. Nonchalant का मतलब होता है बिल्कुल cool रहना, बिना कोई टेंशन के. जैसे वो क्राइसिस के टाइम भी बिल्कुल nonchalant रहा.
It's not nonchalant! So you think I'm just being paranoid?
Paranoid means extremely worried or afraid without real reason. For example, she is paranoid about someone watching her. Paranoid का मतलब होता है बिना वजह के डर जाना या डाउट करना, जैसे वो paranoid है कि उसे कोई देख रहा है.
Just before my sister was committed, she became deeply paranoid.
Sorry that I'm late.
What happened?
I got held up.
Held up means delayed or stuck because of something. For example, sorry I'm late. I got held up in traffic. Held up का मतलब होता है किसी वजह से रुक जाना या लेट हो जाना. जैसे sorry मैं लेट हो गई, मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गई थी.
Turk got held up in surgery, but if you just hold on for a few minutes, everything will be perfect.
I'm an avid reader, huge Fitzgerald fan, The Great Gatsby, his masterpiece.
Avid means very passionate or enthusiastic. For example, she is an avid reader. Avid का मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेना किसी चीज में, जैसे वो एक avid reader है.
Peter mentioned to me that you're an avid CNBC watcher.
But I'm no snob. I love some good Grisham. I think
Snob means someone who thinks they are better than others. For example, he's such a snob about fashion. Snob का मतलब होता है जो अपने आप को superior समझता है, जैसे fashion के मामले में वो snob है.
When you first started at Mitch, I thought you was a bit of a snob, but we've had a good laugh, haven't we? I'm very reluctant maybe to both.
done.
Reluctant means not willing or eager to do something. For example, she was reluctant to join the party. Reluctant का मतलब होता है कुछ करने में मन ना लगना या झिझक होना, जैसे वो पार्टी ज्वाइन करने के लिए reluctant थी.
For some reason, I am reluctant to answer all his questions.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.